Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about a comparison between QuickBooks and Jobber. We're going to dive deep into a comprehensive comparison between two popular business management software solutions, QuickBooks and Jobber. Let's start by taking a closer look at QuickBooks. As one of the most widely used accounting software platforms, QuickBooks offers robust financial management, including invoicing, expense tracking, and payroll management. With QuickBooks, you can easily track income and expenses, generate financial reports, and streamline tax preparation. It's a powerful solution for small businesses looking to maintain accurate financial records. However, when it comes to service-based businesses like landscaping, HVAC, or cleaning services, Jobber takes the spotlight. Jobber is designed specifically for field service management, offering features like scheduling, dispatching, and client communication. With Jobber, you can schedule appointments, assign tasks to your team, and track job progress in real time. Plus, Jobber's client communication tool allows you to send automated reminders, updates, and invoices, keeping your clients informed every step of the way. One key advantage of Jobber over QuickBooks is its industry-specific focus. Jobber understands the unique needs of service-based businesses and tailors its features accordingly. Now let's talk about pricing. QuickBooks offers a range of pricing plans, including options for self-employed individuals, small businesses, and larger enterprises. However, the cost can add up, especially if you need to purchase additional add-ons or to upgrade to a higher tier plan for more features. On the other hand, Jobber offers a transparent pricing with a straightforward monthly subscription model. You pay a flat fee based on the number of users with no hidden cost or surprises fees. Plus, Jobber's all-in-one platform eliminates the need for multiple software subscriptions, saving you time and money in the long run. In terms of user experience, both QuickBooks and Jobber offer intuitive interface with user-friendly navigation. However, Jobber's mobile app stands out for its functionality in the field, allowing technicians to access job details, capture photos, and collect signatures on the go. Ultimately, the decision between QuickBooks and Jobber depends on your specific business needs. If you're primarily focused on financial management and accounting, QuickBooks may be the better choice. But if you're running a service-based business and need robust scheduling, dispatching, and client communication tools, Jobber is the way to go. And there you have it, a comprehensive comparison of QuickBooks and Jobber in 2024. I hope this video helped you to make an informed decision for your business. If you found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching.